Top tree of 370. So 370, it can be written as 2 times 185. 2 times 185 means 370. So 185, it can be written as 5 times 37. 5 times 37 means 185. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 5 and 37. So we can write 370 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 5 times this 37. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.